Hey everybody, Ron from CampFire Grub, and today we're out here doing some camping and we're going to cook up some boiled peanuts. What we're going to use is we're going to use this CampFire pressure cooker that actually has a flat bottom so we can use it on a stove, and we're going to be using a pretty cool old stove today to cook these on, and I'll show you all that in a few minutes. So here is our MenGrills camping pressure cooker, and we're using our classic 1982 Coleman white gas stove. So we have our pressure cooker here filled up with some water. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to add in some raw peanut. So we're going to add in one bag. Then we're going to add in the next bag. Now at first, when you first put them in there, they're going to all want to float to the top. But once they soak down, they pretty much all fall underneath the water, so it's not a big deal. And now we're going to add in some seasoning, which on this batch of peanuts we're going to be doing salt. And some sriracha seasoning. And now it's time to put the lid on. Don't mind the lawnmower over there. Here's the lid. It has pressure release valves right here and a safety pressure switch. So we're going to go ahead and set that right on top. Then here is the handle. It just clips right on right here, right down there, right over here, and then all you do is you twist it and it creates a seal. And as it gets hot, it'll start to pressurize. So the peanuts have been cooking for about an hour now. We're going to go ahead and take a look at them. But it's not just as simple as just lifting up the lid. You have to release the pressure valve, so that way we can open it up safely. So we just finished depressurizing the pressure cooker, so we're going to go ahead and unscrew this and open it up and take a look to see what our boiled peanuts look like. So here's our boiled peanuts so far. Turns out they're not quite done yet, they just need a little stir. We're going to add a little bit more water, and then we're going to throw them right back onto the stove. Here you go, here's our finished product cooked up in the MenGrills pressure cooker. They came out absolutely perfect. And again, all we used was water, raw peanuts, sriracha, and some salt.